Hi everyone, welcome to Stylecast. I'm your host Greta Eagan, and today we are doing a special edition of Stylecast, what we call our Jackson Jem segment, where we highlight a person, place, or product here in Jackson Hole, Wyoming that is inspiring to us and that we want to share with you. So today we are here at Lodge and Letter. We're going to style up some modern cowgirl looks for you and talk to Geraldean Lantier, the owner. So let's take a look. I'm here with Geraldean Lantier. Thank you so much for having us.
Hi, thanks for coming.
Yeah, well, I really wanted to highlight your store because I find that every time I come in, I literally come out with something in my hand.
That's the goal.
Definitely, you have nailed it. And I just wanted to hear from you, why did you start Lodge and Letter?
Well, I've been in retail now for over 17 years. We have an existing shop back east in the Finger Lakes region. So when we moved here, my husband and my three girls, I've just kind of been waiting for the right location to pop up. So it's been a couple years, and yeah, we're glad we waited. This is it.
Yeah, and what would you say sets your store apart from other stores in Jackson?
I think we just have a really unique mix, and when you walk in, it's sort of the feeling of, oh, you know, there's a lot of places to look and a lot of sort of departments, if you will, to experience, all within this small space. So it's just very highly curated, and again, just a lot of different price points, and you can be in any kind of mood and potentially find something to take home.
That's so true, and you're so right. You really pack it in. Do you want to highlight maybe just like a couple of things when you're speaking about that come to mind?
One of the things that's been a bestseller for us are the vintage quilted cantha jackets behind. They're also very unique, one of a kind, and they're reversible. So, and it's a great weight for summer. So people have been loving those. I think we're on our 4th shipment of those.
Oh my gosh, and they're going to be so good for fall.
Yeah, for sure. You can layer those. And then otherwise just little accessories and things that people, again, they are shopping for an event in town. They want a little something new to splash with a, you know, good old standby dress that they have in their closet, or again, something to take home for a tourist.
And I have to say, I have been in here shopping for gifts because you have this whole sort of homeware section as well, and some cookbooks, and
Right, again, so you can be a foodie or a cookbook collector, or just shopping for a, you know, hostess gift for a dinner party, and that other side of the shop is where it's at.
Totally. So last question, if you were to overhear someone walking down the street talking about Lodge and Letter, what would you want them to be saying?
Well, first and foremost, I pride myself and training our employees and, again, my daughters on making sure that we're the friendliest shop in town. So I would love for people to just say, they're so nice in there. That would be my, you know, end-all be-all comment. And again, just that they had a wonderful experience, because again, boutique shopping is about the experience, and we want to bring, again, the good vibes and the beautiful things, again, all at different price points.
Yeah, and one thing I do want to highlight too is that I find you have such a good mix of that cowboy-inspired but still modern. So is that intentional, or where did that come from?
For sure. I mean, we love, you know, the Mountain West and all this, you know, inspiration from I Am a Horse Girl, so you see that throughout. I grew up on a dairy farm, so again, you know, back to nature and back to the land, but also, you know, we like to dress up and, you know, just be casual as well. So again, just a little something for everybody there.
Totally. Well, we are going to get into some of those looks right now, styling up 5 different outfits, show you how I'm going to do this cowgirl inspired, I don't know, aesthetic that we have here in Jackson, Wyoming, and how you can do it too. I want to start with some of the pieces that I'm immediately drawn to, and this little number, it's a shorty but a goodie. I think that when it's hot outside, a little skirt like this with some boots is going to be primo. I was even thinking, you know, maybe pair it with a gingham top, print on print. It's a little daring, but it can be done. Let's see. We might do this, or we might do something a little different. You never know till you try it on. So I am thinking this. I also love a long skirt, and it's kind of new for me. I used to be a dress girl, but now I'm doing the skirt action. So we might bring one of these in, see how to style this, and of course, I do want to do a dress, so you can see she's got some really beautiful print dresses. And again, a dress with some cowboy boots, a little suede jacket is going to be awesome for summer nights and then moving into fall. I love that she's already stocking some of these jackets for fall. They're gonna take you from the late summer into fall. This denim jacket, I love how it's oversized. Gonna definitely style that one up. And this barn jacket is a definite must. Oh, I also love these Cantha quilted jackets that they take and they make from quilts, and how it has this fringe detail on the back. It's a little different than your average fringe. So this one will get styled up for you guys. And then I definitely want to pull this out and highlight a vest, a quilted vest like this. This is a piece that I think you may not have in your wardrobe, but when you bring it in, you will find it'll get a lot of wear and just kind of transform and dress up those looks for you. So we'll get that one styled. And maybe the last piece that's kind of calling my name. Oh, I'll have to show you this. I am already wearing this. I'm gonna add some jewelry. This is my first look, so we'll get into that in a minute. I'm gonna add some jewelry and really zhuzh it for you. And then the last piece, oh, love, love. This little suede number, little cropped, little boxy. This is everything. So let's get going and I'll style these looks up for you guys. All right, you guys, this is look number one. It's what I was wearing before, but we have styled it Lodge and Letter style, which really is just about the accessories. I did tell you I bought this shirt, which I love. What I really like about it is it's a bit more fitted, so it works really well under a jacket like this. And what I want to highlight is the jewelry here. So I just piled on the rings. This has been an amazing trend that's been happening, wearing rings all the way across. So many good hues of turquoise here. And then a couple of bracelets with some turquoise as well. But the star, as you can tell, is this piece right here. Now, it's a lot of bling, but for the right person and the right occasion, this really does make the outfit, does it not? And I also wanted to bring in a very classic Western piece, which is the silk scarf with the little scarf tie here, also in turquoise. So you can see how it all comes together. We're using these different tones of blue with the outfit to make one very modern cowgirl styled outfit for you. Okay, this is look number two, and as you can see, I didn't do the gingham. It was just a little too much with the print, although it looked pretty good, but I felt like this shirt was a little bit of a better fit, and I like that I can do the little tie in the front. It's great for summer, makes it a little bit more relaxed, and I can totally see styling this with some blue jeans and my boots, and you got a whole other outfit. So yeah, did the little skirt like this. I think if you want to wear it with a cowgirl boot, you want something that comes up sort of mid-calf. If it was just an ankle boot, it may not look quite as good. In fact, you might even want to go for one that comes just below the knee. When you go short like this, you have to have a boot that comes up a little bit taller to balance the proportions. Just a little pro tip for you. And then I popped on this amazing oversized jacket. In fact, I did size up. This is a medium because I really wanted the oversized look, especially with the skirt, because I wanted it to kind of hit around the same length and level. And then I added these little, what we're calling cloud earrings. They have a little bit of turquoise and they kind of finish off the look, pull some of the green from the skirt. This is a great everyday outfit, something that you can wear around town, something if you're gonna go have lunch with the girls, this would definitely be the look. Okay, here we have look number three, and everybody in this room just said, this is a real everyday outfit, and I totally feel it. It's so comfortable. This blouse, I didn't show you guys when we were kind of doing a little run through, but I found it, it's a little bit of like a sleeper, I would say. It's not a magpie piece that you just like gravitate towards, but it's so wearable. I love it with the jeans. I could totally see wearing it with a skirt and even shorts, like denim cutoff shorts, tucking it in the front, leaving it untucked in the back. It's a great piece. I also want to highlight this jacket from Sepei Ka, which they use old quilts to make the jacket. So I think, again, to finish off the look, say you're gonna wear this maybe from daytime and then go out to dinner, love this for that. And then you just add the jacket over top to kind of complete the look, give yourself a little bit of warmth. Roll these a little bit, maybe to make it a little bit more casual and worn in. And of course, I'm going to be loving this jacket for fall. Just like that in-between layer that you need when it just starts to dip and get a little bit cooler. Love it. See the fringe in the back? And I just paired that with my bootcut jeans, and you can tell that I'm having a theme here with the cowboy boots. All of these looks go with the cowboy boot because, again, this is sort of that modern cowgirl look that we want to give you real wearable options for, and this is how I would style it. Look number 4, how amazing is this skirt? You guys, I gotta show you this detail where it actually changes fabric. There's a little bit of the seam here, and then the ruffle hits with the boots, perfect length, love it. I just styled this little cami underneath to keep it kind of cool. That's kind of another pro tip when you are dressing sort of this modern cowgirl. If you bring silk in little ways, it actually works really well. You could do it with a silk scarf, you could do it with a silk cami. You could even do it with like a silk blouse and your jeans and belt buckle. So anyway, I put this underneath and then wanted to style this little vest. It is what we would call a hero piece. Love how it takes the attention. I think it's amazing. I love it with this outfit, and I could totally see wearing it with some jeans or even over a dress. Absolutely love it. Then I just kind of finished it off with this bag. Love how this is kind of like a saddle bag and the little tassel detail. And a little pair of earrings with just a touch of turquoise because we love our turquoise. And I would say this is just a great sort of, if I was going out to the farmer's market, I would wear this. I did the little bandana around my neck for just a little something extra, and a great day look that I think is going to be really comfortable as we move from July into August. One more thing, I did say I wanted to style this barn jacket, and I think this is the outfit actually. I mean, I think the barn jacket you can always wear with jeans, but I want to give you some other options. Like, you can see how we're layering all of these pieces, and that's another little pro tip about going for the Western vibe, is you've got the silk shirt, you've got the vest, you've got the jacket, you've got the tie around the neck, the bandana. All of these details make for a complete look that looks really on point. Even if you didn't know what was going on, your mind is like, yes, this is working. And I love this length. You can totally do an oversized barn jacket like this with a long skirt, and the lines are long and it just really works. Okay, final look. We saved the best for last, don't you think? I am just in love with this tonal brown kind of look. Again, maybe moving into fall. Can't help ourselves here a little bit, especially with this suede jacket, the fringe. But this is a great, more of like a cotton dress, so super lightweight. Belted it to create a little bit of shape, and then added this bag for a little structure and to kind of keep the brown hues going. The statement earrings for a little something special, and then of course we have our rings again. Can't get enough of these rings and just stacking them up. You guys have to come in to get your own stack. And of course, my cowboy boots. Geraldine, thank you so much for having us.
This has been awesome. Thank you guys for coming.
And I do want to let you guys know that, of course, if you're in Jackson, come stop by. And if you saw anything that you were inspired and you want to pick it up, definitely hit up their Instagram. Tell us your Instagram.
So it's Lodge and Ladder JH, and we can ship anything to anywhere. Just shoot us a DM and we'll work with pictures and work everything over the phone or on DM. Perfect. Love it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video inspiring, please give us a thumbs up and show your support by subscribing. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.